Okay, things are gonna get crazy here. 'Cause I brought them some food and they know I have some goodies here. Some macaroni casserole. They're gonna love it. So here we go. They know something is worth having here. Give me a second. Let's open it up. It's gonna become a feeding frenzy here. They know it's dinner time. This will give them something to keep their crops full as they go and roost for the night. And they'll probably be well pleased. We got more coming in. They know. Here comes Jack the rooster. He's got to make his way in. It is feeding time. Macaroni casserole, yum yum. I actually made this up just for them. I usually like to let them out of their coop just for a little bit at the end of each day before it's about ready to get dark, just to let them stretch their legs a little bit more, scratch around for some bugs, just do their chicken thing. That little salmon faverole, she's getting in there to get her some corn while she can. So pretty birds. Their feet are a lot different than the other chickens. I believe they have like 5 toes. It's really strange looking. Should lay a salmon colored egg. A lot of times chickens like to grab and go, so just that inherent fear that some other chicken is going to grab their food and steal it from them, and they do that a lot. What are are you chickens doing? She's getting some crushed limestone that got dropped there. Got to replace all that calcium that they lose in egg production. They are having at it. They weren't even super hungry when they started eating. They've had layer feed all day, and they've had some corn, so they were in pretty good shape. But they usually seem to pay extra attention to the things that we bring out. Another thing about chickens that's interesting is a lot of times we think of them as just eating, more at home eating grains and grasses and things like that. But I have noticed if they have a choice in their food, they can pick out meat first. Somehow they smell or they just know it's there, and they grab it, and they grab it first. And they must know that it's got just higher nutritional content. I'm sure that laying eggs every day really takes it out of them. And what are you doing, sis? You're still going after the crushed limestone, aren't you? If I waited around long enough, they would have this food all eaten. Quite sure. I don't know if we'll wait that long, but... Yeah, you know what you're going after, don't you? They know what they need. Look at you. Good girl. You see that? Say hello to the world. Well, it looks like the main chickens they're kind of finishing up with it. I expect the less dominant chickens to come over here in a little bit and start eating once everybody else has had their fill. But I don't think we're going to wait that long today. We're losing light.